Next problem. Find the maximum or minimum values of the function f of x comma y equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. 3axy. Solution. So what is given? F of x comma y equal to x cube plus y cube minus 3axy. So what is the step 1? Step 1 is complete the partial derivatives. Step 2, finding stationary points. Step 3, we have to check the condition rt minus s square, whether it is less than 0 or greater than 0 or equal to 0. Those conditions we have to check at the stationary points. Step 1, for the given function, complete the partial derivatives. So what we have to find? Fx, fy, fxx, fxy, fyy. So all these things we have to find. What is fx? Dou fy dou x. So what is the dou f by dou x? Differentiation of f partially with respect to x only. So y is constant. So 3x square minus 3ay into 1. So 3x square minus 3ay. Fy. What is fy? Dou f by dou y. Differentiation of f partially with respect to y only. So x is constant. So 3y square minus 3ax into 1. Fxx. What is the meaning of fxx? Fx with respect to x only. Dou square f by dou x square. What is the meaning of fxx? Fx with respect to x only. So what is fx? 3x square minus 3ay with respect to x only. So 6x minus 0. Next fxy. So fxy. Fx with respect to y only. So dou square f by dou x dou y. Dou x dou y. So fx with respect to y only. So x is constant. So x is constant minus 3. Fx is this one. 3x square minus 3ay. So with respect to y only, so x is constant, 0 minus 3a into y with respect to y 1. Fyy. Dou square f by dou y square. So fyy. Fy with respect to y only. So x is constant. So 3y square differentiation 6y minus 3ax differentiation with respect to y 0. So only 6y. So here f double x or fxy, yes, fyy t. So r value is 6x, s value is minus 3a, t value is 6y. Now finding stationary points. So how to find stationary points? First order equal to 0. That means solving fx equal to 0 and fy equal to 0, we will get stationary points. Now step 2. Solve fx equal to 0 and fy equal to 0. So what will you get? What is fx? Fx is 3x square minus 3ay. 3x square minus 3ay equal to 0 and fy is what? 3y square minus 3ax. 3y square minus 3ax equal to 0. So if you simplify, x square minus ay equal to 0 and y square minus ax equal to 0. Equation 1 and equation 2. So by solving, so how to solve? From the first equation, x square equal to ay. So y equal to x square by a. Substitute this in 2. That means y square equal to ax. So y equal to x square by a whole square equal to ax. So x power 4 by a square equal to ax. X power 4 equal to a cube x. X power 4 minus a cube x equal to 0. That is x into x cube minus a cube equal to 0. X equal to 0 and x cube equal to a cube. X equal to a and x equal to 0. X equal to 0 and x equal to a. X equal to 0 and x equal to a. Now if x equal to 0, what will be y? If x equal to 0, y also 0. And if x equal to a, what will be y? A square by a, that means y equal to a. Therefore stationary points are 0, 0, 0, 0, a, a. So these two are the stationary points. So what are the stationary points? By solving first order equal to 0, that means fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0, we are getting two stationary points. What are those points? 0, 0 and a, a. So at these particular points, we have to check the condition rt minus s square, whether less than 0, greater than 0 or equal to 0. So based on that, we have to write the conclusion. 0, 0 and a are the stationary points. Now, at stationary points, we have two stationary points. So in these two stationary points, we have to check the conditions. So r value, s value, t value, rt minus s square we have to calculate, then conclusion. At 0, 0. So what is r value? If you substitute 0, 0. S value minus 3a. T value 6 into y, 0. Rt minus s square. Rt minus s square. So 0 into 0 minus 0 into 0 minus s square. S is square. So minus 3a whole square equal to 9a square with a negative sign. So with the negative sign. So minus 9a square. So irrespective of a value, that is a value whether it is positive or negative, because of a square it will be positive. Even if it is negative, a square will be positive. So positive into negative, negative. So less than 0. Less than 0 means, if rt minus s square less than 0 means neither maximum nor minimum. Neither maximum nor minimum. That means what? Nor minimum, that is saddle point. 0, 0 is the saddle point. 0, 0 is the saddle point. Now at a, a. At a, r equal to. So if you substitute x equal to a, 6a. S equal to minus 3a. T equal to 6y. If you substitute a, 6a. Rt minus s square. 6a into 6a. 6a into 6a minus s square. S is minus 3a whole square. So 6 into 6, 36a square minus 3 whole square, 9. So 9a square. 36 minus 9, 27a square. Whether it is positive or negative, irrespective of a value, a square will be positive. Even if it is negative, a square will be positive. So positive into positive, positive. So rt minus s square greater than 0 means the function is either having maximum value or minimum value. The function will be f of x, y will be maximum or minimum. So to check whether it is maximum or minimum, go to r value. R value is what? 6a. 6a. So we don't know about the constant a value. So if a is positive, what will be the result? If a is negative, what will be the result? So rt minus s square greater than 0. So the function is having either maximum or minimum. Go to r value. So if r equal to 6a means, if a less than 0 means it will be negative. If a less than 0 means it will be negative. Rt minus s square will be rt minus s square greater than 0. So go to r value. R is 6a. If a is less than 0, it will be negative. That means less than 0. Less than 0 means f of x, y will be maximum. And if r equal to 6a for a greater than 0. If a is a positive one, positive into positive, positive. So positive means greater than 0. If r is greater than 0, f of x comma y will be minimum. F of x comma y will be minimum. F of x comma y will be minimum. So what is the conclusion? Rt minus s square greater than 0, then a less than 0 means r equal to 6a. 6a means less than 0 means negative. So negative means it is minus, that means negative. So maximum. And rt minus s square greater than 0. So a greater than 0 means r equal to 6a, that means positive. So minimum value. So at a comma a, if a less than 0, the function will be maximum. If a greater than 0, the function will be minimum. The function will be minimum value. Is that